Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. So in today's video you'll be learning how to make your sugar-free zobo for weight loss. If you have been trying to lose weight or you actually want to lose weight, then this video is for you. Just watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's dive into today's video. The recipe you'll be needing is your zobo leaves, your cloves, your ginger, and the next recipe you'll be needing is your pineapple peel and your pineapple juice. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. It is quite free. And if you have any question, just comment on the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, the next thing you will do is to wash your pineapple. Then after that, you peel it and keep the pineapple peel or the pineapple skin aside. Then extract your pineapple juice. This is my pineapple peel. This is my washed zobo leaves. This is my ginger. I've cut my ginger into smaller pieces. I did not use all the ginger. I just used one out of the three. And the next thing is my washed cloves and my pineapple peel. So how to prepare your free sugar zobo for weight loss is that get your clean pot, and pour in your zobo leaf, your washed zobo leaf or hibiscus leaf. Yes, just pour it in there. And the next thing is that you add water to it. The quantity of your water depends on the quantity of your zobo leaf you are using. So after that, you boil it, and the next ingredient you'll be adding is your wash gloves. Add your wash glove to it, cover your pot, then allow it to boil for like 2 minutes. Then after that, you'll be adding your pineapple peel to your to your to your tea. Add your pineapple peel to it, cover it, and let it boil. Then after that, you'll be adding your chopped ginger. Add your chopped ginger to it. That is the last ingredient or the last recipe you add to your tea. Add it and cover it and allow it to boil for some minutes. Then after that, you turn off your heat. After turning off your heat, allow your tea to cool. Then once it is cold, you extract your or you strain. Once it is cold, you strain your tea. Then the last thing you'll be adding to your free sugar zobo is your pineapple juice. Add your pineapple juice to it and stir it very well. Then you'll be taking 1 glass cup in the morning and 1 glass cup before going to bed, or you'll be taking half teacup in the morning and half teacup in the evening before going to bed. This tea is super effective. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video.